Subscription makes sense for industrial operations, I would say kind of two manners. The first manner I'll describe is commercial models. We decided that with subscription that we could be far more aggressive than we were going to be able to do with our perpetual models. I'll give you examples. So whenever you buy a InTouch web server on subscription, you have unlimited access to clients. You can connect as many clients as you want to that, and they're covered. So that opening up that commercial models is a significant part of the value. The second part of the value I would suggest would be part of a digital transformation, meaning that what we've decided to do is that with subscription, we were able to bring broader parts of our portfolio together into a single solution. So some of the world-class components, like maybe the reporting tools that we would typically offer, that may be outside of someone's budget, now are inside their budget because of the way we've packaged them together with subscriptions. With subscription, we rethink HMI and SCADA in a very fundamental way because we decided to take a step back and not look at only the points in time when a person is involved with the human-machine interface or the supervisory control. We decided to look at what do they do throughout the course of their entire day. What are they doing throughout the course of their entire experience while they're in their industrial operation? And how can we take different aspects of our solution and make it part of that common solution? Yes, human-machine interface is still there. Supervisory control is still there. But now we're incorporating our tools that facilitate the collaboration or the organizational empowerment with the delivery of information to a variety of types of devices. So you're not isolated to that thing on that swing arm that's clad in stainless steel, but now you're going to have tablets and phones involved. And so we're taking a much broader approach towards operations. So where AVEVA is taking subscription, one of the first things we decided is that when you look across over the 100+ offerings that we offer at AVEVA, we had to go to one common commercial model. And that common commercial model we decided was going to be AVEVA Flex. We're able to utilize AVEVA Flex credits to purchase anything in the AVEVA catalog of capabilities. This also is going to facilitate a transition where we go away from, well, maybe not go away from, but add onto the traditional software that you would install on a machine with what I refer to as live services. A lot of people tend to confuse cloud as that, well, if I take a virtual machine in the cloud, is that a live service? I suggest no. That's just lifting and shifting a compute device. As we start to offer a live service around these things so that whether it's collaboration or the distribution of data, that's always there. It's omnipresent as part of that solution and not something that our customers have to manage. They don't have to worry about disaster recovery. They don't have to worry about uptime. They don't have to worry about when you maintain or patch those things. And then we start taking a lot of those struggles that they may have had with traditional on-premise software in terms of lifecycle management and eliminating them altogether. So we started looking at what our customers expect of their operations teams. Initially, what I started to do is I started to look at job postings that our customers had were for control room operators or field service operators. And I started looking at all the responsibilities. I created this notion of the day in the life because I wanted to be able to provide an illustration of what we were trying to approach. We're trying to approach all of the responsibilities that we could cover from a software perspective in industrial operations, starting before they ever enter their environments, so when they're still at home perhaps, to the times that they're on premise at their offices or in their particular facilities or wherever they're at and they're in operation, and on through to when they returned home in the evening. What could their experience be? And that we recognized that was going to have us look at this very differently. It's not where you install software, it's where you experience software, and you experience software across a variety of devices.